Alright. Here's one of these return products. This doesn't say brushless. It does say hard hitting though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Highly doubtful it hits those numbers. Everybody lies. So this is tool only. You know, that $100 price is not likely. $119, really? Oh, there's a brushless one or what. Anyway, so 44 bucks, half-inch impact. This is actually a tool I actually bought because I actually needed it. Well, I didn't need it. I don't have it. I have every single Hart tool. My only half-inch I have is a 19.2 Sears Craftsman, which is 30 years old, at least, that I use. I put Hart batteries on it. So I don't really need this, but it's always good to have a backup. Plus it's shorter. This definitely, somebody bought this and used it. They probably thought, yeah, see, it's all dirty. They probably thought it would be equal to like the big boys, but this isn't going to be that. There's no way it's 350. Did I just film that spark coming out of there? Alright, see it is brushes. You see the sparks. And, it's kind of disturbing that sparks just jumped out of there. You see sparks. Anyhow. Is it not doing the banging? I don't have a nut to put this on. Yeah, he said he doesn't have a nut. Anyway, 44 bucks. What can you do? I have my own battery, obviously. Yeah, the light works. So, there it is.